Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry.
Last time, I made an extendable gearbox. And an upgraded version with spacer. And studied the relationship between speed and torque. Today, I will tell you how to add several simple components, change the gearbox to a powerful round show table. Stick around. Let's start. We always say when using a motor, decrease the speed and increase the torque. By a combination of motor and gearbox, even the mini DC motor such as the mini DC 130 motor can do a lot of work in daily life. The gear set which I designed is 1, 2, 3. The relationship with the number of gear sets and the speed is depicted here. After using 6 or 7 sets, the speed decreases very much. It is about several turns in 1 minute. It is good for a rotated show table. I modified the design a little bit. Only add an output table and output shaft. Let's see what does it look like. Very nice. We can adjust the speed by modifying the output voltage using a simple DC regulator. If enlarge the table to this size, it should be like this. Hope it will give you some new idea. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TubeU channel is waiting for you.